All right, you guys, still modernizing our 1969 GTO. What a car this is gonna be, man. Now, in 1969, what was the option for Windows? You could upgrade to Power Windows, but that's a big, expensive option in 1969. But they had the hand cranks. When's the last time you hopped in a modern car that's all hand crank windows? You don't. It's not available anymore. But for this one, yeah, we're gonna upgrade it using Nu-Relic's Power Windows. These things are super cool. All the regulators made in USA, America. On top of that, using quality materials. You got bronze with like bushings, hardened gears. Uses all the factory, window tracks, channels, and holes for the mounting, which is really cool. And it's kind of a cool upgrade because the switch is actually the old hand crank. That hand crank that you used to turn like this, window up or down. Now you just have this, right? The hand crank still fastens here just like it used to. But now when you kick it up, right? The window goes up, you kick it down, the window goes down. That hand crank becomes the switch. So really cool way to modernize your old muscle car and to do it with an easy kit. It's gonna plug right in to our Infinitybox wiring. So we're gonna get this regulator mounted up in this door, jump in, and you'll see how much easier it is than this old one that had the hand crank. This modernization, really cool, really great way to do it to your ride. Come on in, I'll show you how. Okay, getting the switch mounted up in here. Got the regulator in. Jay, how do you think it's looking? And
it looks great.
What do we need to go to get this thing working and moving?
Do you remember before we talked about Mama and the kids?
Yep.
This is another kid.
Okay.
This is what's called In-Motion.
You're grounded. Sorry, I'm thinking my kids. No.
But so this is our In-Motion NGX module.
Okay.
So this is a door control module. So what this does, it goes in the door.
Okay.
It has two polarity reversing outputs. One that's going to control your power windows up and down, and one that's going to control your locks.
Normally, if you have one of these old muscle cars that, you do have power windows in and door locks, right? You have a big bunch of wires that go through, this inner fender position here and then into the door. And it normally has this big rubber accordion thing, right? So we can eliminate all that because think about, we're not going from this many wires, we're going down to 4, like so.
Oh, here's what you need. Power and ground.
Yeah.
And the 2 data wires. That's essentially all you're passing through that accordion into the body of the car.
Let's see here.
I think it'll fit.
Yeah, it'll fit. So really amazing, great upgrade. And we continue up, modernizing the 69 GTO, man.
Let's do it.
More to come.
Let's get those passed through.
Hey gang, welcome back. We're on our 69 GTO project and we're just starting out on the wiring. We've got our Infinitybox, sort of our brain up front. We've got our power cell in the rear, about where we think we're gonna land. And Willie's really attacking the door here. We've got electric window operation. So he's drilled a couple of holes, both in the A-pillar and the door to pass through the wiring. And we're just getting that all set up, put some power to it and see if it works. Oh man, it's the moment of truth.
Yeah,
You guys confident here?
Yeah, feel pretty confident.
Let's do it.
Yep. I mean, the man behind Infinitybox is right there, so I feel confident this is gonna work. But what a cool upgrade. You've seen window cranks. We've all seen them in old muscle cars, but when have you seen a window crank do this? Ready?
Yep, do it.
Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah,
How cool is that?
And it's super simple. But again, what we're doing is that Nu-Relic switch is wired here to our In-Motion cell. The In-Motion cell is what is reversing the polarity up and down to make it go up and down. When you get the glass in this, there's a thing you're going to do to train it so it knows how much current it takes to go up and down. Then you're going to be able to tap that handle and express it down. So when it gets to the bottom, it's going to stop. Like every new car, you've got that express feature on your windows. Yeah. You now have that in these doors.
It's going to be on load, not position.
It's on the current draw. So when it gets to the end of its travel and that motor stalls, that's when we shut it off.